we start with the first season, Grisho. Summer is the first season. Grisho Ritu is very hot. Many rivers are dried up and the climate remains humid most of the time, making it unbearable for the people. The hot weather is extreme during this time. April is a month where the temperatures goes up to its maximum. Scorching heat makes the land dry and barren. Borsha. This season is followed after Grisho Ritu. Heavy rainfalls takes place during this season, but this is much needed after the hot, scorching summer season. It fills up the dried wells and rivers with water.
রেখেছে গাথিয়া বাজিছে অঙ্গনে মিলন বাঁশরি বকুল মুকুল রেখেছে গাথিয়া বাজিছে অঙ্গনে মিলন বাঁশরি শ্যামল সুন্দর আনো তব কাপহরা তৃষাহরা সঙ্গ সুধা বিরোহিণী চাহিয়া আছে আকাশে শ্যামল সুন্দর এসো শ্যামল সুন্দর এসো শ্যামল সুন্দর।
Sharad. Sharad Ritu is followed immediately after the rainy season. In this season, the sky would be filled with patches of light, clouds and winds, but there would be no trace of rain. The days are warm, but there is a gradual decrease in humidity.
টুটে কিসের ঝলক নিচে উঠে শরতালোর আঁচল টুটে কিসের ঝলক নিচে উঠে ঝড় এনেছো এলো চুলে তোমার মোহন রূপে কেরায় ভুলে তোমার মোহন রূপে।
Hemanto. After the Sharad Ritu comes the late autumn. The sky becomes clear with no trace of clouds and appears to be blue. Dew is seen in this season everywhere. Mesmerizing golden paddy, rice and wheat shines all over the fields at this time of the year. Sheet. From the north, chilly winds are blowing. It is a dry season with occasional rainfalls. It can be seen that the days are shorter but the nights are longer. The people would be seen around the fireplaces covering themselves from head to toe. Fog will disappear late in the morning. Sheet is thought to be the coolest of all seasons. Finally, Bosanta Ritu is followed by Sheet Ritu. It is the last season seen in India. The spring season gives a fresh start to new lives to the trees which shed their leaves in the winter. Different fragments flowers are blooming, leaving their scent all around. At this time around, a gentle breeze with the song of cuckoo fills the heart and mind with joy and happiness. Pleasant weather is seen.
নীলো আকাশে মলয় বাতাসে ব্যাপিল অনন্ত তব মাধুরী বাসন্তী মধু মধু মোদিত হৃদয়ে হৃদয়ে নব প্রাণ উচ্ছ্বসিল আজে বিচলিত চিত চলি উন্মাদনা ঝন ঝন ঝনিল মঞ্জিরে মঞ্জিরে বাসন্তী হে ভুবন
Variety of seasons in India reflects the nature of people. People can enjoy every month and are not bounded by a single gloomy season. We cannot say that each season has only its advantages or disadvantages. Rather, every season influences people's life beautifully.
আজ খেলা ভাঙার খেলা খেলবি আয় 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 আজ খেলা ভাঙার খেলা সুখের বাসা ভেঙে সুখের বাসা ভেঙে খেলবি আয় 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 আজ খেলা ভাঙার